Singapore has been described as a playground for the rich, and it's true that the small city-state does have a certain sheen of wealth. But Singapore offers more than just high-end shopping malls, luxury hotels, and fine dining. There is also a vibrant history and diverse ethnic quarters to discover, along with many family-friendly attractions and lovely public spaces that make exploring this slightly futuristic city worthwhile. The nightlife in the city is yet another one of the Singapore tourist attractions. You can unwind at some of the most impressive clubs and lounges that you will find anywhere in the world. Explore these places if you want a truly unforgettable night of partying. In this video, I will talk about top 10 places in Singapore you must go. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. 10. Marina Bay. This iconic waterfront area, with its glittering skyscrapers and architectural marvels, is a testament to Singapore's vision as a global city and a must-visit destination for any traveler. As the sun dips below the horizon, the area comes alive with a kaleidoscope of lights, casting a radiant glow over the waters. The Bay Area is a seamless blend of recreational spaces, fine dining, casual eateries, and entertainment hubs, each offering a unique slice of the city's dynamic pulse. 9. Singapore Flyer. The Singapore Flyer is a giant Ferris wheel, only with benefits, that only start with the stunning views below. Cars hold up to 28 people as they circle above the city. When it opened in 2008, it was the highest Ferris wheel in the world, reaching 165 meters, 541 feet, up into the Singaporean sky. With advance notice, the flyer can accommodate disabled guests in wheelchairs. Located on Marina Bay, the flyer's terminal has 3 floors of restaurants, shops, and other services. 8. Buddha Tooth Relic Temple. The Chinese build temples to a lot of gods and other things, but the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple is one of the more unusual. In the late 1980s, when a Buddhist temple was first proposed for Singapore's Chinatown, it was supposed to become a more traditional temple. Somewhere along the line, it became the Tooth Relic Temple, a home for a tooth relic from Buddha. The temple, located in central Chinatown, also features other arts and culture of Singaporean Buddhists. 7. Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Embark on an adventure through Bukit Timah Hill, Singapore's tallest natural peak. Located just a stone's throw away from the vibrant city center, this lush rainforest reserve is a sanctuary for nature enthusiasts and hikers alike. Here you can step into the reserve's dense tropical canopy, where an array of flora and fauna awaits. The highlight of Bukit Timah Nature Reserve is its iconic hill, offering well-marked trails for an energizing hike. After reaching the summit, you can behold sweeping vistas and a sense of achievement. Alternatively, explore leisurely walking paths catering to various fitness levels, allowing yourself to bask in the calming embrace of the forest's serenity. 6. Singapore Botanic Gardens. Travelers on a budget will appreciate the Singapore Botanic Gardens as most of the gardens are free. There is only a charge for the National Orchid Garden, the most visited section of the garden. The garden contains more than 60,000 species of plants and animals, and is home to the world's first children's garden. Past visitors rave about the tropical greenery of the gardens. 5. Gardens by the Bay. Gardens by the Bay is a recent addition to Singapore's tourist attractions, but is one that gardeners won't want to miss visiting. Open less than a decade, Gardens by the Bay is built on reclaimed land in central Singapore. It consists of 3 gardens: Bay Central, a garden with a waterfront walk that will eventually connect the other 2 gardens; Bay East, which is opening in phases as sections are completed; and Bay South, the largest garden, which showcases tropical horticulture and includes tree-like structures up to 50 meters, 160 feet, high to dominate the garden's landscape. 4. Kampong Glam. Discover the vibrant neighborhood of Kampong Glam in the heart of Singapore. Here Malay heritage, artistic expression, and culinary delights converge. Engage with its vibrant cultural tapestry by strolling past colorful shophouses and visiting the historic Sultan Mosque. renowned for its golden domes and intricate details. Later, wander along Haji Lane, adorned with vibrant street art and stylish boutiques, and try the diverse local cuisine. Indulge in mouth-watering nasi padang, or savor the fragrant spices of Middle Eastern cuisine. Better yet, sample delectable fusion creations that blend the best of both worlds. After indulging in your shopping spree, stay until nightfall. Under the city lights, experience the transformed ambience of Kampong Glam, where live music bars and trendy restaurants come to life. 3. Clarke Quay. Clarke Quay is another part of Singapore's past that is still a happening place today. One of the key tourist attractions in Singapore, the quay at the mouth of the Singapore River, was the city's hub of commerce in the late 19th century. It still hustles and bustles today, but with a different kind of commerce. Trendy restaurants, unique boutiques, pushcart vendors, and more, all of which blend Asian and European influences. Once a market, always a market, except at night when Clarke Quay teams with chic night spots. 2. Resorts World Sentosa. Resorts World Sentosa is a Singaporean destination unto itself. Located on an island off Singapore's south coast, the property features hotels, restaurants, a casino, theme parks. In short, something for everyone no matter how old they are. With this location, attractions obviously center around the sea. Marine Life Park, Dolphin Island, a water park, and an aquarium. Other attractions include Universal Studios Singapore and nightly entertainment. The casino offers a variety of table games and 2,400 slot machines. Be forewarned, it does enforce a dress code. The resort offers more than 60 dining options for hungry guests. 1. Chinatown. For culture enthusiasts delving into Singapore's vibrant multi-ethnic scene, Chinatown offers an unparalleled experience. Unique among Chinatowns worldwide, it hosts a Buddhist temple, mosque, and Hindu temple on a single street. Begin your cultural odyssey at the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and Museum, where the mandala-inspired architecture symbolizes a universal connection in Buddhist and Hindu spirituality. Explore hidden treasures like a rooftop garden featuring a magnificent pagoda within the temple compound. For those unsure when to plan their trip, Chinatown truly comes alive during festive seasons like the Chinese New Year. Expect streets adorned with vibrant decorations and filled with the lively sounds of lion dances and traditional music, creating an unforgettable atmosphere. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below.